5.3 earthquake on August 16, 2024. Now watch the flex. On August 12, 2024, a magnitude 2.9 earthquake was recorded. This is according to the Earthquake Unit of Jamaica. Less than 5 days thereafter, a magnitude 5.3 earthquake was also recorded. Could it be that this magnitude 5.3 earthquake is the Mainshock, or rather, that the magnitude 2.9 earthquake was a foreshock to this 5.3 earthquake event? When I plot my locations using the specifics highlighted by the Earthquake Unit of Jamaica, what I find is that the two locations for these earthquakes of mention are close together. Upon my further analysis as regards to the general orientation of the landscapes as observed on the Google terrain map, what it leads me to infer is that it is the same fault zone or closely linked fault areas / fault lines that are responsible for these earthquakes. I may even go further to say that it is potentially a listric fault that is responsible for these earthquakes. So, in other words, the earthquake that took place on August 12th, that magnitude 2.9, would more than likely have been the precursor of the August 16 magnitude 5.3 event. Now, to you listening, I want you to take the fact that Jamaica has now recorded 2 magnitude 5 plus earthquakes in less than 12 calendar months. I want you to take this information, this fact, treat it very seriously. Prior to 2023, Jamaica's last occurrence recorded for the magnitude 5 plus would have been in 1993. So that is basically saying that it would have been a 1 in 30 year occurrence. Since 2023, we have now recorded 2, according to the data provided by the Earthquake Unit of Jamaica. Just on that basis alone, we can see where there is pretty much a reduction in the recurrence interval for moderate earthquakes such as a magnitude 5 plus. And in a sense, you can also pretty much extrapolate it and say that Jamaica's risk for experiencing moderate earthquakes 5 plus is elevated. I will also go further to basically bring it back to the fore of your mind that Jamaica has basically experienced magnitude 4 plus as well since, or rather leading up to, the magnitude 5.6 event in 2023, and even since then, so as such leading up to this magnitude 5.3 event of 2024. The area of the country where these earthquakes magnitudes 4 and over have predominantly been taking place is in the eastern end of the country. I've said this in my undergraduate thesis that Jamaica needs that comprehensive work done in terms of the seismic hazard mapping and doing so within scales that are relevant for the engineering, the agricultural, and other industries that are important for the Jamaican economy. I'll leave it there.